You know when you're so tired that you can't even think properly? That's me right now. I literally had to go get my phone because I was overthinking how to spell tired. Hey guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing something kind of laid back and simple. We are going to be talking about some of my favorite hair care products. So I really like the drugstore brand, the L'Oreal Paris Hair Expertise Total Repair 5. So this is the shampoo, conditioner, detangler, and mask that I have been using for the last like 6 years. I absolutely love this brand. I love how inexpensive it is, and the only con that I kind of have against them is I'm not 100% sure if L'Oreal is cruelty-free. I can't seem to get a straight answer. Some websites say yes, some websites say no, so it would make me really sad if they weren't. So I would like to figure it out if they actually are or not, because I hate using brands that aren't cruelty-free, but at the same time I have to use something that works on my hair, because there's a lot of brands that I've tried that really don't work out with my hair. So I have this mop of hair on my head. So I have really thick, really wavy hair, and it's always balled up on the top of my head because it's always doing this weird kind of curly rat's nest kind of thing, and it drives me absolutely insane. So these products are the products that I use to help contain my curls and help contain just like how ridiculously awful my hair can be. So I am just going to be talking about some of these products. So I absolutely love the conditioner and the shampoo. So these are the two staples that I use every single time that I wash my hair. And then when I am done washing my hair and get out of the shower and I'm doing my thing, I like to spray the L'Oreal Paris Total Repair Replenishing Detangling Care detangler. The only con that I would say that you definitely need to keep an eye out for is this shit makes your floor so fucking slippery. I have biffed it so many times in my studio, in my room, in my bathroom, anywhere that has flooring. Do not spray this unless you lay a towel down, or spray it on fucking carpet. Like literally, it makes your floor so slippery. That's a good thing for your hair because it literally makes your brush just run through it really easily. But for your floor, oh my god, it is like an ice rink once you use this. But I definitely love this. I will link the prices for all of these products down below. I know the shampoo and conditioner I believe are about $7 each. The detangler I think is again like $7 or $8. And then this is my absolute favorite. So this is the L'Oreal Paris. It's all of the same brand. This is the Cremade and Calendula. It's like a flower, I believe. This is the mask that I'm going to be using tonight. So I'm going to go have a bath really quickly and use this mask on my hair and just kind of tame all of this gorgeous curls that I got going on. And then I'm going to come back up here with my hair soaking wet and use the detangler on you guys and show you guys how easy it is to run a brush through my hair once I've used this product and this product. I will find my brush right now and show you guys what it is like to run a brush through my curls with nothing in it. Like, that is what I got going on. Like, I can get a brush through it, but like, it's painful, it hurts, it's not fun, and like, what even is that? Like, I have a mat in my hair. The fuck? So I'm gonna quickly go put this mask on my hair and have a bath. So the mask itself is white. It smells like Cuba to me because I brought all of my products with me when I went to Cuba like 6 years ago, and this literally just smells like that trip to me. I don't know why, but every single time that I wash my hair it just takes me back to Cuba. So that's what it smells like to me. It's really floral, it's a really nice scent, it's not too heavy, and it makes your hair just smell absolutely amazing. This is also the shampoo that I use on all of my wigs. It is a really nice shampoo. It doesn't leave your hair feeling weighed down. It doesn't leave your hair with like a residue in it like the conditioner. It works wonderfully. I absolutely love these products. So I'm going to quickly go do the mask and I will come back and show you guys what it's like to use the detangler and to show you guys if we can get a brush through this. Okay, I am back and it is time to dry my hair and use my detangler on it and show you guys what my hair looks like now that I have used the mask on it and the detangler. So I have hair in my mouth. So taking off my towel, my hair is still pretty wild just because that's just my natural hair, but I can brush it now that I have used the now that I have used the mask. It still is pretty knotted, but I mean, that is just my hair. If you have poker straight hair, you won't have an issue at all. So I am going to use the detangler on my hair. And then I also like to spray my brush and get my brush nice and coated in it. And then I like to just work through my hair. Usually I don't have knots like this, so this is gonna take a little bit of working through, but usually it'll glide, my brush will glide right through my hair after using that detangler. Without that detangler, these knots and mats would probably result in me having to spend an hour brushing my hair or cutting part of my hair, just because my hair does get that knotted. It is insane. But this detangler is making it go through so much faster. Also, the brush that I'm using is the brand Wet Brush, so it does aid in stopping your hair from breaking as much while brushing your hair wet, and it's definitely necessary for hair like mine. So I've basically got that big knot out now, and I'm just working through the rest of the little knots that I have going on in my hair. Without this detangler, I had to, the last time that I had my hair this knotted and this messed up, I didn't have this detangler. I just had another one that was in my bag, and it took me a solid hour to get my hair brushed out. I've been brushing my hair for about 5 minutes, and it's almost completely knot free. Alright, so now that my hair is brushed out, so that only took about 5 minutes, so this stuff really works well, especially if you don't have extremely knotted hair like I do, then just spraying a little bit on this hair will literally make your brush glide through your hair almost instantly. I have really long, really thick, really curly hair when it's not wet and brushed out like this right now. If I was to leave it like this, I would still wake up with it being really wavy and really messed up in the morning. But if I were to blow dry it right now, it would probably go just like, it would still stay straight, but it would go puffy. So I'm gonna quickly go blow dry my hair, and I will come back and then I will show you guys what my hair looks like now after using all of these products. So I do get to test out the new products that we got in that FabFitFun box. So this is the Avita, the Art and Science of Pure Flower and Plant Essence. So this is the damage remedy, so daily hair repair, instant visible repair, protects from heat styling. So it is supposed to be a heat styling protectant, and it's supposed to help with damaged hair. It says to shake, work small amounts of product in hands, apply through damp hair and comb to distribute. Do not rinse. So I'm going to try that out tonight. So I'm just going to do as it says and work small little bits into my hair. It smells like essential oils. It kind of smells a little bit like mint and something else I don't really like. It kind of smells like baby products almost. Like, it's just not really that nice of a smell. It doesn't smell that bad, but it's not the nicest either. I don't know. I'm not a big essential oil person, so that may just be it. Okay, so my hair is fairly dry now. I don't really dry it until it's like super dry, because it's not really good for your hair to dry your hair in general. But now that my hair is dried, you can see the difference from when I first started this video. My hair was absolutely insane, and now that it's all blow dried and brushed out after using those products, it looks and feels so healthy. So I do have fairly long hair. It goes down to a little bit past my boobs. Like, it is fairly long. I have gone on a hair journey. I have had really long hair and then dyed it through all the colors of the rainbow and had my hair literally fall out. So I have had quite the experience with my hair, and it is really strong and really healthy now that I don't really do anything to it. I don't dye my hair anymore. I just kind of buy wigs all the time. The blonde that you're seeing is my natural, so my natural root, and my natural hair color is fairly light blonde. You can see some of the highlights that are still in my hair from a few years ago, but my hair is fairly blonde. I have very light blonde hair, and it is very healthy now that I have stopped messing with it so often. I also have been taking a supplement, a hair supplement that I will be talking about at the end of the month once I'm done doing my month-long test on it, and I'll let you guys know my thoughts on it then. But until then, I can't really speak on it because I am only halfway through the month. But my hair is looking really great, and it does feel really strong, and these products are definitely some of my absolute favorites. So to answer some of the questions that I know I'm going to get in the comment section that I have gotten on hair mask videos before, people always ask if there is, what's the word? A lot of people ask if there's sulfates or parabens or silicones, stuff like that in mask. So this does have sulfates, this does have, I believe it does have parabens, let me see. So there is a mathicone. So there is a silicone that is in this mask, which a silicone basically makes your hair feel super like good feeling. It kind of coats the strand of your hair, and it kind of gives the illusion that your hair feels healthier than it actually is. And a lot of people don't like using silicones on their hair because it's not necessarily your hair isn't necessarily as healthy as it feels, but I definitely don't really mind using silicones, so I definitely love using this brand. So if you don't like using silicones in your masks and stuff, then you might want to stay away from this mask in particular, but I don't really care, so I use it anyway. As for the shampoo and the conditioner, there is sulfates in it, so again, if you are if you use shampoo and conditioners that are sulfate free, again, that is probably one that you want to stay away from. But at the same time, I have used sulfate free shampoos in the past, and I don't find that they get my hair as clean as I would like, so I really don't mind using them. I obviously only wash my hair about every 3 days or so, so again, if you're not washing your hair every single day, your hair shouldn't be in that bad of condition in the first place, so it's not really that big of a deal. As for this, it doesn't say that it has sulfates in it, so because it isn't a lathering product, I don't believe that there's sulfates in this. As for the actual spray, there is dimethicone in the spray again, so again, if you don't like silicones, you might not want to use the spray. Again, I don't care, I don't mind, so I like the fact that it makes my hair feel so slippery, and it makes a brush going through my hair so easy, and I definitely need that because you guys just saw how knotted my hair gets. So I mean, I really don't care that there's these products and ingredients in it that a lot of people stay away from. I really like having silicones in my products simply because it seems to really help with my hair. But I mean, everybody's hair is different, so do whatever you think is best for your hair. But these are some of the products that I personally like using for the drugstore price. Obviously, you can get products that are higher quality and higher price that will work just as well, but I definitely wanted to give you guys an option for a drugstore product that really works, that I've been using for years, that I absolutely love. So I hope you guys do get some helpful tips and find some really great products at the drugstore for a drugstore price that you guys might want to try if you guys don't mind using silicones and sulfates and stuff like that. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye!